Hello. So in this video, I want to show you a couple places where you can find some resources as we begin to talk about APA and citation and paraphrase. So the first thing I wanted to show you was just over here in the content module. You'll see that underneath Unit 4, there is a section called APA Style Resources. So this is something you can click on to find a couple different references about APA style. So this is the basic college guide. This is an example of what the paper looks like. This is an explanation of references. This is an explanation of citing within the text. This is going to help you figure out where you can find the information you would need in order to cite. This is an explanation of how you can create references, and this is another article on how do I check my APA style. Some of these articles are going to dovetail with the articles that are available through 101. So some of these might be even the same articles. But this is just like in 101, a place you can go if you have a particular question about APA citation.